everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I have a crochet tutorial for you all and it's a bit of a Christmassy one, so let's get straight onto it. So today we're going to be creating these super cute little star ornaments. So I've attached a string to it and it could be hung maybe in your doorway or obviously on your tree. They're a bit of a versatile thing and a way to get us in the Christmas spirit this weekend. So I have some Aran weight yarn. This is kind of a coarse, quite a coarse yarn, and I have a 5mm hook to go with it and a pair of scissors to chop off my ends, and you will need a darning needle to sew in your ends as well. So it's 2 rounds, it's super quick, and let's get on to the video. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our magic circle. So if you've never made a magic circle before, don't worry, I'll go through it quite slowly this time, and I'll also leave a link down below on a much slower beginner version to a magic circle as well. So what you're going to do is lay your yarn over your fingers like so, your 4 fingers. You're going to wrap your yarn around your fingers. You're going to cross at the back and you're going to have them separate at the front. So it should be crossed here and separate at the front. I'll do that one more time for you. So you're going to lay them over the 3 fingers, wrap around, crossing at the back and leaving them separate at the front. Then you're going to take your crochet hook. You're going to go underneath the first loop. You're going to pick up the second loop and pull that through. You're going to rotate your hook up to catch that yarn on your hook so it's crossed over. And you're going to pick up that back loop once again and pull through the loop that you've just created. Then you can let your fingers go and you have an adjustable magic circle. So this tail end you can actually pull to make your circle smaller as well. So now we're ready to begin round number 1 of our star. So you have your chain 1 already, which you've just worked. So you're going to chain 2 more chains. So 1 and 2. This is actually going to count as your first treble crochet. I'm working in UK terminology today, so that is a double crochet in US. And we're going to work 10 treble crochets into this magic circle. This counts as our first one, so we need to make 9 more. So yarn over your crochet hook, insert into the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So that's 1, 2 trebles. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So pause the video here, work 10 treble crochets into this magic circle, counting this chain 3 as your first treble crochet, and I will meet you back when you've finished round number 1. Okay then, so I've just worked my 10 trebles, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull on this tail end of your magic circle to kind of cinch up that circle nice and tightly so you don't have a gap in the middle. Then to finish this round, all we're going to do is slip stitch into the top of our chain 3. So insert your hook into the top of that chain 3, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through a loop. And there you have round number 1. So for our second and final round, we're going to be working our 5 kind of triangle shapes in the 5 different corners of the star. So to begin, we're going to chain 1 and we're going to work a double crochet, which is single crochet in US terminology. So into the top of your chain 3 stitch where you've just worked, insert your crochet hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both of those loops. And that is your first stitch of round number 2, is a double crochet. Then into the next stitch along, we're going to work four stitches. So our first is going to be a treble, our second is going to be a double treble, then we're going to work 2 chains, and then we're going to go back down the other side to double treble treble. So yarn over into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's stitch number 1. Then work a double treble, so yarn over twice this time, insert into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Then we're going to work a chain of 2, so chain 1 and chain 2. And then once again into the same exact stitch, we're going to work a double treble, so yarn over twice, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And then to finish off this section, we're going to work a treble crochet. So yarn over into the same stitch again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And there we have our first corner or triangle of the star. So then into the next stitch after that, we're going to work a double crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And now it is just a repeat along the round. So we've just done a double crochet. Into the next stitch, we're going to work a treble crochet. Like so. We're going to work a double treble crochet. We're going to work a chain of 2. We're going to work a double treble crochet into that exact same stitch, remember. And we're going to work a treble crochet into that exact same stitch as well. Then once we've completed that, we can work a double crochet into the stitch after it. And then we can begin our third corner. So pause the video here, work this until you've done the repeat 5 times, or until you have no stitches left, or until you have 5 kind of points to your star. And I will meet you back to finish off our star. Okay then, so I've just finished my 5th point and I've just come to the end of my treble crochet, and now we are going to slip stitch into the top of that double crochet. So this is my double crochet from the beginning of the round, and I'm going to just insert my crochet hook, yarn over and slip stitch. Then I can chain 1 and just cut off your yarn and pull tight. So there we have star shape, and now we're just going to make our little bit of a loop so that it's possible to hang. So I've just chopped off my ends just so that they don't get distracting or they get in the way, and I've just cut a small length of yarn, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold that in half like so, and you're going to find one of your chain 2 spaces in your star, and you're going to thread that piece through. And then all we're going to do is make a knot in the top. And there you have your star ornament. So super quick project, so I hope you'll enjoy this video, hope you found it helpful and you can start to make some of your own. Let me know down below any suggestions that you want to see in the upcoming weeks of projects that you might like. I have a few ideas that are pending, more wintry crafty things, and then a few Christmas things there in the mix too. Subscribe so you never miss another video, leave me a like if you did enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all very soon with another one. Bye!